So we're looking for the equation of the plane that passes through the point 1, -1, and 1 and contains the line of intersection of those two planes there. So our first step is going to be that we're going to find 2 points on this plane, and we can use the equations of the plane to find that. So let z equal to 0, and our first equation becomes x plus y is equal to 2, and the second equation becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now you can add these equations, and you'll get 3x plus 0 is equal to 3. And this implies that y up here is then equal to 1. So the point we just found is 1, 1, 0. We can call that point Q. We'll call this point P. Now for the second point, we're going to let x equal 0, and our first equation becomes y minus z is equal to 2, and our second equation becomes negative y plus 3z is equal to 1. Now we add those two, we get 0 plus 2z is equal to 3. So our z is equal to 3 halves. And this implies that y is equal to 2 plus 3 halves, which is also 4 over 2 plus 3 halves, which is 7 halves. So our third point, point R, is 0, 7 halves, and 3 halves. Now our second step is to turn these 3 points that we have into vectors. So we're going to make the vector PR and the vector PQ. So the vector PQ is going to be 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus minus 1, so 2, and then 0 minus 1, which is negative 1. Then our vector PR is going to be 0 minus 1, which is negative 1, 7 halves minus 1, which is going to be 9 halves, and then 3 halves minus 0, 3 halves minus 1, which is then 1 half. We're just going to call those vectors vector A and vector B. So now our third step is we're going to want to find the normal vector to these two vectors, and to do that you just take their cross product. So we're going to do that now. I, J, K, and then 0, 2, negative 1, negative 1, 9 halves, 1 half. Right, and so if you do the full cross product, then you will get 11 over 2 I plus 1j plus 2k. In other words, the normal vector is 11 over 2, 1, 2. Right? And now to find the equation of a plane, well, the vector equation is this. N dot R minus R naught is equal to 0. So now we plug in all the values that we know. So 11 over 2, 1, 2, dot. And then we're going to use, for R naught, we're going to use the original point that the original point and the vector R to make a vector. So x minus 1, y plus 1, z minus 1, using the points from the numbers from the original point. And then that's going to give us 11 over 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 13 over 2. And that is our answer. That is the equation of the plane that passes through that point and contains the line of intersection of those two planes. So that right there.